Okay, good day mga kabakyard. Tayo ay magpapakain sa ating 1-day-old na tilapia fingerlings. So, ang size ng ating pan is 3x3 at may laman itong 2,000 tilapia fingerlings. Yan. So, medyo hiyain pa sila. Yan, kung nakikita nyo 1-day-old pa lang ating tilapia na 2,000 fingerlings. Yan. So tinatry natin yung biofloc technology using orobiotics, pero hindi ako gumagamit ng orobiotic yung maintenance, kundi yung nutrifying din. Nutrifying lang. Okay, so update tayo after 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, thank you.